Welcome! Today, we'll simplify adding payment methods in WordPress for 2025. Let's dive in. First, log into your dashboard. Navigate to Settings and click on Payments. You'll see various payment options. Choose the methods that suit your needs best. Click on Add New to integrate a payment gateway. Popular choices include PayPal and Stripe. Now, fill in your gateway details. Be sure to save your changes after input. Finally, conduct a test transaction to ensure everything is set up correctly. You're now ready to sell. Always update your payment plugins to maintain security and functionality. Consider user experience when selecting payment methods. Streamline options boost sales. Monitor transactions regularly for any issues or discrepancies. Stay proactive. And that's it. You've effectively added payment methods. Happy selling! For more tips, subscribe and keep improving your WordPress skills. Thanks for watching. Let's boost your online presence together.